Yep. Awesome. Thanks so much, everyone. I'm Dan, the CEO of Exidio.
Yeah, I am Srinivas, CTO of Exidio.
And we are working at Exidio, a company that's pioneering data privacy and security for the Web 3.0. Some of you may know, Sentinel is a decentralized VPN network. And as data and privacy is becoming of the utmost importance, VPNs are becoming a critical tool getting widely adopted. However, centralized VPNs have proven to be untrustworthy and a centralized point of attack. It was just last year that NordVPN actually had a data breach proving that it was logging its users' data. However, the Sentinel decentralized VPN completely changes the industry as it's open source, it's provably encrypted, and there is no central entity that's capable of logging data across the network. And there are three main players in the Sentinel ecosystem. There's the Sentinel network, which is a Sentinel decentralized peer-to-peer bandwidth marketplace where you can share your bandwidth to the network, or you can use other people peer-to-peer's bandwidth. And the Sentinel network is built on Tendermint, leveraging cosmos-sdk. There's the S&T Foundation, which is a nonprofit foundation with the mission of growing innovation and growth across the Sentinel DVPN protocol, and has access to grants and partnerships to encourage partners to build on Sentinel. And there's Exidio Corp, where Srini and I both work for. And this is a company that's building integrated applications leveraging the Sentinel blockchain. And actually, Sentinel's been around for a couple years now and was one of the earliest members contributing to the Cosmos SDK. And we're proud to say that we competed in Cosmos's development competitions, and we achieved the highest score in Game of Zones Phase 2, and we were the winning team in the uptime category in Game of Stakes. And alongside Srini and our development team, we're really lucky to have a rockstar development team building on Cosmos. And the Sentinel network was intended from day one to have interoperability in mind for the core reason of having a better user experience. So leveraging the IBC bridge, we can have better payment gateways, and the architecture of multiple zones creates a structure where we're able to maintain loads of over 5,000 transactions per second. And the architecture of the framework, the Sentinel DVPN framework on Cosmos, is really resilient and it's decentralized. So any application built on Sentinel would only go down if the Sentinel blockchain itself goes down. So as individuals are offering bandwidth nodes to the network, the Cosmos-based blockchain directly communicates with those nodes to check their availability and their status. So if you, an end user, are using an application to connect to decentralized VPN, your application is actually querying the blockchain to populate the information of the nodes and the data relevant to those nodes. However, the Sentinel DVPN ecosystem isn't just one standalone application. It's a network for distributed applications and distributed VPNs to be built on top of. So this framework will help for mainstream adoption because of the integration of IBC and various opportunities for payment gateways, not just crypto, but fiat or Apple Pay or Venmo. Our flagship application from Exidio is the Sentinel DVPN, and we've seen incredible traction so far. We're feeling really fortunate about that. We have over 150,000 users on our applications, and we only receive those numbers because we've consistently asked for user feedback and developed applications on Windows, Mac, and PC. And we have our flagship application on Android, and we're about to go live on iOS, which we're excited about. But not only is Exidio building on the Sentinel framework, but Velocity is another company that leveraged Sentinel's open source code base, and they've actually received over 50,000 users on their Android application as well. And our numbers have been incredible. Over 100,000 downloads and active users on the Sentinel DVPN Android application, and over 3,000 reviews across the world. We have a very active community, and people are engaging with us on multiple social channels. And we also feel fortunate that we've seen incredible exponential growth across the entire protocol itself. Daily active users have risen for the past 2 years, and now we're over 1,500 active sessions daily. The data consumed on the network has been incredible, and we're about 3 terabytes worth of data used across our applications on a daily basis. And we're about 350 active nodes, which is up from the tens of nodes in early 2018. So the growth has been incredible, and it's really aligned with the rise of VPNs across the entire ecosystem. Now we're really excited to show you the V3 client, and we do have an opportunity for those that are interested in Sentinel to get access to our token as a part of a strategic opportunity for validators. Please contact info@snt.foundation for more information. And now we'll jump into the demo.
Yeah, thank you, Dan. Hi, guys. Before entering into the demo, I would like to discuss about the some part of the architecture of the Sentinel V3 client. Sentinel V3 client is a fully decentralized application available on interfaces like CLI and web and desktop. Whenever user installs and starts our application, it will start a REST API server on the user system, and this web and desktop application will communicate with that REST interface. Actually, that REST interface act as a middleware between blockchain and UI, and we choose to develop this kind of architecture because modifying these network interfaces on user system and pushing routes for these things we need permissions on user system. And also, like with this architecture, user can run our client on a router, so all the nodes, all the devices that are connected to router will eventually will be using the VPN. Okay, yeah, let's start the demo now. And here I am presenting the web UI of the client. Both web and desktop applications are protected with the application level password, and user can change it at any time. So since it is a fresh install of the client, so application will ask user to create an account. And I am going to use a seed which is preloaded with some decent tokens. Yeah, and here you can see account got created successfully, and the address, and user can download the seed words on his system and continue. And this is if user starts running it's like first time on board, and whenever user reloads or keeps the session stale, the session will expire and user will be logged out of the application, and user has to enter the password again if you want to further continue with the application. And here you can see the number of tokens that are available in that account, and the equivalent amount displayed in the USD. And if user wants to send here, here it will be after IBC. Here user can see the number of tokens that are available in his account, like multiple tokens. And also here, if user wants to send amount to some other address, he just enters the two address and amount here and click on send. And if user wants to for receiving the tokens, user can just share his account details and QR code with others, so he can it will be easy for him to receive tokens. So this is the active validators list that are present on this currently running testnet Turing 3, and user can perform this delegate, redelegate, and unbound actions. So now I am going to show you that how to delegate from to a validator from our client. So just click on the validator and enter some amount and enter password, and done. It will take some time to propagate to get executed the transaction, and it will show a transaction hash, and you can see the transaction hash. And just you can go to this our explorer, and you can see the transaction got executed, and you can see the amount got deducted here already. Yeah, so this way it's easy to delegate from our application, and also can perform this redelegate and unbound. And this DVPN dashboard is under development, and hopefully it will be completed by this month end, and we will it will be released by this month end. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Srini. And as if you guys don't know, all of the development and applications we built are from scratch. They're completely open source. So anyone in the Cosmos ecosystem that wants to build out a wallet using our framework, all of our code repo is available on our GitHub. And we are excited to have unique opportunities for people to delegate and stake, and also vote on proposals natively in the application. Yeah, we're excited about where we're headed, and excited for this application to go live, hopefully by the end of the month.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Sentinel. This is awesome. Congratulations on the work. Congratulations on the traction, the partnerships. Just love it. We cannot have enough VPNs and enough decentralized VPNs in the marketplace. This is a big need. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the Telegram.
Thanks a lot, Tariq.
All right. Cheers. Bye.
Thanks, everyone.